Friends, share ko lang po sa inyo haul. Christmas, New Year, ayan. So, dami po nating haul during this season. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessing and the sponsors of our gifts, no. Lagpas na po yung Christmas, middle of January na tayo ngayon of 2023. Pero, there's blessing pa rin po na re-receive natin. Yan. Thank you, Tita Leonie. Marami pong pasalubong pa si Tita Leonie na iba. But this is the best. Corel Classics yun. Promise niya po yan sa atin. Imagine Corel, ngayon lang po tayo nagkaroon nito. From the US. So this is a pasalubong haul from the US. Ayan. Thank you so much, Tita Leonie and Tito June, for this pasalubong. And there's more. Ayan. Ito. Ayan. There's more. This one from Lester, Dubon, and Dominic. Ayan. Son po ni Tita Leonie, si Lester, and daughter-in-law si Dubon. Ayan po. Binigyan tayo ng, anong tawag dyan? Stainless steel cookware set. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lester and Dubon and Dominic, for this pasalubong from the US pa din po yan. So, we have the Corel dining set and the stainless cookware. Yan. We are so blessed po, diba? Thank you so much for all the gifts po, Lord, and the blessings. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.